Welcome to a Glaass tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit analytics widgets in Glaass. Users with managerial permission will be able to see the analytics icon in the menu bar. When they click this, they'll be taken to their analytics dashboard, which is a custom configured screen which includes widgets with colorful graphs and charts which show the project's performance in real time. To create a new analytical widget, click Add Widget in the toolbar. It will create a new default widget, which can be resized by clicking and holding in the bottom right-hand corner. And the widget can also be moved up and down and side to side, configured to the project's needs and requirements. You can also delete widgets that you no longer need by hovering your cursor over the widget and then clicking the X icon in the top right-hand corner. To edit a widget, hover your cursor over the widget and then click the pencil icon in the top right-hand corner. The first step to editing a widget is to give the widget a title. Once you've entered in a title, you'll need to select what is to be analyzed, whether it's cases, items, or hours or workers from the daily diary. In this example, I'm going to select items. Next, you'll need to select what chart type you'd like to view. There are multiple options to select from, and in this example, we're going to select a bar chart. Then you'll need to select the period to analyze. By default, it shows the last 30 days. However, there are multiple options, and in this example, we're going to select the full project period. Then you can choose the timescale. As standard, it shows the case creation date. However, Glaass also shows you the date and time metadata fields, which can also be selected. In this example, we'll use the case creation. Then you can choose the split. What is analyzed? By default, it shows the status. So in this chart, we can see the closed, overdue, and in process cases. This can be changed to other options in the project, as well as project metadata. In this example, we're going to select priority. And this will show us the low, medium, and high priority HSEQ issues in the project. To update the widget, click Update in the toolbar, and this will then update on our Analytical dashboard. I'll add another widget to my Analytical dashboard, and we'll edit this in the same way. Give the widget a title again, and in this example, I'm going to analyze the cases. In this type, I'm going to use a column chart, and I'm going to have it stacked. I'm also going to look at the full project period, and I'm going to remain using case creation. And this time I'm going to choose the first split as locations, and then the second split as the status. I'd like to look at lots in the project, so I'm going to add a filter for cases, and then I'm going to enter in the lots template. So now this will only look at the lots in the project. I'm now going to click Update to add that widget to my dashboard. I'd like to add a widget on my Analytical dashboard for defects. I'm going to move this widget to the right and add in a new widget and then edit this. I'll enter in the title of the widget, and then in this example, I'm going to analyze the items, and I'm going to create another bar chart, and I'm going to assess the full project period. In this example, I'm going to use the timeline as the inspection date. I'm then going to choose the first split as activity, and the second split as item check. I'd like to add a filter for the cases so that I can analyze only the defects in the project. Then I'd like to add a filter for the activity to look at only certain activities in the project. I can click the gray icon, and then I'd like to select only certain activities in the project. The Analytical dashboard updates, And then to confirm, I'll click Update in the toolbar. I'd like to create another analytical widget for the diary hours on the project. I'll click Add Widget, and then I'll expand this widget to full width, and then edit it. I'll enter in the name for the widget, and in this example, I'd like to look at the hours in the daily diary. I'm then going to select an area chart, and I'd like to use the regular type, and I'd like to look at the full project period from the production date. I'm then going to apply the split by companies, so I can see all of the hours by companies in the project. And now I'm done, I'll click Update to update that analytical widget on my dashboard. That was a step-by-step guide on how to create and edit analytics widgets in Glaass. Users must have managerial permission to view analytics in the project. To create a widget, click Add Widget in the toolbar. To remove a widget, hover your cursor over the widget and then click the X icon in the top right-hand corner. To resize a widget, hover your cursor over the widget, click, hold, and drag the icon in the bottom right-hand corner. To edit a widget, hover your cursor over the widget and click the pencil icon in the top right-hand corner. Give each widget a short title and choose what you would like to analyze in the project. Select the chart type and period to analyze, noting that metadata fields which use date or date and time can be selected. Select a split, noting that the options are a combination of default splits as well as project metadata. Add any filters if necessary, and then click Update. That was a step-by-step guide on how to create and edit analytics widgets in Glaass. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.